Anong message mo kay mama?
Happy birthday.
Ikaw, ma'am. Ma'am.
No, hindi pa ako ready.
Ready yan.
Ano sasabihin ko? Happy birthday. Happy birthday! Lian! Oh my, wag ganyan. So, pwede mag-lipstick mo. Happy birthday, Ma'am Ria! Happy birthday to our best boss ever, Ma'am Ria. Wishing you all the best po. God bless, Ma'am.
Happy birthday, DRR. Happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday, BRR!
Wishing you all the best.
And we love you!
We miss you, ma'am.
Hi, Ma'am Ria. Happy birthday sa'yo. Stay beautiful. At saka bumili ka na ng sticker ni Ma'am Curly. 5 piso, 3 lang. Hi, Ma'am.
Ganito na lang.
Sana naman masaya ang inyong birthday. Mag-enjoy ka dyan sa bayalan. Birthday, Maria. Or permits na ka. Surprise! May permit na ako. Sa Iliad, Occupancy. Fighting! Ay, Maria.
Happy birthday, Mother! Love you!
Hi, Maria. Happy birthday. More science and projects to come. Stay young and healthy. We love you. Wait lang, nag-prepare po kami. Nag-edit po kami.
Ma'am Ria! We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. And a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ma'am Ria.
Hi Ma'am Ria, happy birthday. More candles to blow. Mag-ingat ka po palagi, huwag ka masyado magpapaka-stress sa SD. Baka ma-vertigo ka na naman. Share lang. I miss you all.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Ria from TNG Architectural Services. I wish you all the best and may God bless you.
More
Projects to come to us.
for us. Happy birthday, Ma'am Ria!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Ria. Panggatas.
Happy birthday, Tita Victoria. Stay pretty. Happy birthday, Nina. Happy birthday, Nina. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Ninang. Happy birthday, Ninang.
Love you.
Love you.
Hello, happy birthday Victoria. More birthday to come and God bless.
Hi Ria, happy 18th birthday. Wishing you all the best. More birthdays to come, more candles to blow, and more enjoyable years to share with your family. And I hope that you're gonna have a blast enjoying every moment of your stay in Bangkok together with your husband and your 2 kids. And continue to strive hard, becoming a role model to your team, and for you to be able to reach your goals. Happy birthday! Cheers!
Happy birthday, Tita Ria! We love you!
Hello ma'am, happy birthday. Ang wish ko ngayong birthday mo is sana lahat ng gusto ng puso mo is matupad. Lagi lang ako nandito para sa'yo kahit na minsan medyo busy. Thank you sa friendship. Hindi mo alam kung gaano kalaki naging impact mo sa akin simula nung naging kaibigan kita. Kung ano man yung mga blessings talaga na natatanggap mo ngayon is sobrang deserve mo kasi ikaw din nagiging blessing ka rin talaga sa iba. Thank you at mag-iingat ka palagi. I wish you all the best. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Ria. Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Madam Ria. Always take care of your health and all the best for your family. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mommy! We love you!